Hey guys, Chronic here, and this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a custom IP for your server. So, step one is go and register your domain. I personally would recommend freenom.com. I'll provide a link down in the description below. So, we're just going to do like midnight hosting tutorial. We're gonna check availability. And you're gonna want to choose one of the free ones that that you like the best out of all of these. I personally like TK better than the rest of these. So select that, check out. Now here's an important bit here. You have to choose how long you want this for. Now it's a little weird. There's 12 months free, but 1 year is $9.95. It's the same thing, but okay. So 12 months at free. So don't touch any of this. We'll just go continue. Then 2 seconds. I'm just gonna drag this over on my second screen here. My bad. Then you're gonna want to grab your email address. I'm grabbing mine right quick. Control C, copy. There we go. Bring it over here, paste that in, verify the email. Verification link sent, right? We got our verification right here from Freenom. I'm just gonna go drag this off here for a quick second. Alright, now we have all our information filled out that will be blanked out in post. And we are just going to hit complete order here. Right, so now you'll click go to your client area. You're going to want to go hello John. Services, my bad. Then go to my domains. Email address, like fucking hate autofill sometimes. Another one. And then we're gonna hit remember me and hit login. Out of things. So you're gonna want to go to manage, management tools, and you're going to want to do name servers. So that's all for that right now for now. Now you're going to want to move on to a Cloudflare account. If you have one, log in with it. If not, you're going to need to create one. So sign up. Then you're going to want to type in your email address, which is still not there. So email, create an account. And that's it. So activate and protect your site with Cloudflare. This is simple. Take your domain name, Control C, Control V, add a site. I'd say give it a healthy 5 minutes. I'm just trying to rush this in the midst of the tutorial. Go through Cloudflare. Alright, there we go. So, next select your plan. You're gonna want to go with the free plan. You get cool stuff. That's cool. Boom. So then continue. Scanning for existing DNS records. Here's where we get into the meat of the potatoes of the thing here. So you're going to want to go to client area again, management tools, name servers, use custom name servers. DNS record, proxy, add record, look for SRV, name at Minecraft, perfect, service name .minecraft. So, okay, this would be like something like play, MC, whatever you'd want this to be, really. Like, it could be just some clip, something cool. So let's just do play I'm gonna go 0, wait 5, and then you're gonna want port you will find right here. That's your port. We're gonna copy that, paste that in here. Target is going to be this first part here, noonesperfecthosting.com. Throw that into the target and hit save. Possibly because it's a capital. Okay, so don't listen to me. We're gonna take out the dot right there, or the @ symbol, and we're gonna try that again. And because of my specialities, that took a little longer than thing. So proxy status, DNS only, that's solid right there. Continue. Bomb. Changing name servers, we're going to set up, we're going to do the default way. Pop that in here. Pop that here. That's it. That's all. Alright, so after you've finished doing your name servers, you're going to want to hit change name servers. That will save. Then you're going to want to go back to here, and you're going to want to just, I went through this a little bit because I messed up somewhere and I just had to figure it out, but you're going to want to go through the rest of the thing, and it'll ask you if you want to get other things set up. Just say skip it for now. So after you've done this, you're going to want to just check your name servers. Please wait a few hours for an update. Alright, yeah, after a quick refresh, it's now protecting our site. You know what? You gotta go play dot. And that's how it's done, my friends. I'm just a slow cookie today. Lucky there's editing. I hope y'all have a good one, and I'll see y'all in the video.